Hi, I'm Keith with Home Wet Bar, and this is an in-the-field test of our Beckham Leather Dop Kit and Men's Toiletry Kit. 4 months on the road. So I've been using this kit for about 4 months now. We like to test all of our products extensively before offering them to you. I've taken on several trips. What I like about it are the nice 2 big pockets here. I got one where I can put kind of my dry things. You can see I've got a lot of different things in there. And then I got another where I can put kind of wet things. My toothbrush, my razor, all that stuff. It fits everything nicely. On the front, I've got another pocket here. This pocket's great. You can put, if you need to put some Band-Aids or you need to put some small medicine. It zips up really nicely and it looks great. This has been on several trips and you can see it's still in great shape. I think you're going to be really happy with it and it's going to make a great gift for the man in your life.